How to change audio language in Prime Video. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar and type Prime Video. Now once you're done, simply tap on the search icon. Now tap on Prime Video. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now after updating, simply tap on Open. Now open up any of the videos. Now tap on Video. Now to change the audio language, tap on the subtitle icon at the top right corner. Now to change audio language, tap on the subtitle icon at the top right corner. Now select your audio language, tap on the language. Now tap on close, and that's it.